Want to learn how to change YouTube profile picture on your Android phone or even your iOS phone? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to change the profile picture on YouTube, first of all, tap on YouTube and open up the app just like this. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Since YouTube account is directly linked with your Google account, the only possible way to change your profile picture on YouTube is to change the profile picture on your Google account. For that, tap on Manage your Google account. You're into your Google account. Now tap on your profile picture row. You can see that your profile photo is visible to everyone across Google products. Tap on Set Profile Photo. You can choose a photo or take a photo at the moment. I'm going to choose photo from the gallery by tapping on it. So I'm going to choose one of the profile picture for myself. So you can select a picture just like this and then tap on Accept on the bottom right corner. So you can see the profile picture is being set. And yes, my profile picture has been changed on my Google account. Now I can go back and refresh it and then watch it successfully that my profile picture has been changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.